Hello, we're going to make a grayscale today. The purpose of a grayscale is to have a measuring tool that allows us to see how light and dark the colors are when we use them, how light and dark are the colors that we see in nature. So this is the tool that we're going to build together today. So we start with, this one happened to be orchard supply, but we start with any stick like this, and that's where we're going to put our 10-step value, and we need to divide this white strip in 10. So for convenience, you can take a measuring tape and measuring, but for convenience we can take one of those and make a mark. So I make several at a time. By the time you're done mixing your colors, you will have enough to make more than one scale, which is excellent. So we're going to mark 5 at a time here. So it is divided in 10. It goes from black number 1 to white number 10. And everybody agrees on that division. So 2, 3, and on we go, until we have 10. Need to adjust this. 3. 4. And voila. So this is ready to go. We will start with one here because we hold the stick like this. So you could, if you want to work hard at it, you could gesso, preliminary, you could gesso your stick before you apply paint, but we're not doing that because there is really no real need to do this. This is another grayscale that was done with another color, with a black. Today we're going to make a grayscale with Payne's Gray. And you see that we here have a preliminary mixture with which we made this grayscale. So we're going to show you today how we got there. So the way to make a grayscale is first off you start by mixing, you start having a pile of Payne's Gray or black, and a pile of white, and you want this pen to be soft and creamy. So I have remixed everything. When it comes out of the tube, you remix it so everything is well mixed, the pigment, the oil, and the other fillers that are in there. So we're going first to, so we have 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in that circumstances you see that we don't really have one value that stands in the middle because this is an even number. So our middle values are 5 and 6. So we're going to mix those. You need to realize that this is not 50-50. Generally we're going to need less dark than we're going to need light. So actually I'm going to mix less of it and less than last time, and we're going to start there, see if we are, if you have a grayscale like the one you're going to see in your video, it helps you a lot, of course, to have an idea where you want to go. Otherwise you have to mix and remix a whole lot. You see that this one is just slightly too dark. Yeah, as an alternative, you can use your stick like this. It is much easier to apply. It means that you have to put it down every time you clean your knife, but you see how easy it is and how easy and clean it is to apply. Of course now, each time you have to take it down, pick it up again. I'm now making my third grayscale, because I know they will be useful to somebody. These grayscales tend to be good travelers, I found. Aha. We have a little boo-boo here. Here we go. 5 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I always like to have a grayscale with me in my box. The reason for that is because often it's not only measuring the colors you see, but also when you want to make a vibration of color, when you want to make colors that are